Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Venmo for in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to use your Venmo account at physical retail locations. Step 1. Download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Venmo app and sign in to your account, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. You'll need to provide personal information and link a payment method. Step 3. Navigate to the settings menu in the Venmo app. Look for options related to payments, cards, or QR codes. Step 4. Enable the Scan to Pay or in-store payment feature if it's not already activated. This allows you to use Venmo's QR code functionality at participating merchants. Step 5. Link a payment source to your Venmo account, such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This is necessary to fund in-store purchases. Step 6. Verify your linked payment method by confirming small test deposits or entering verification codes sent to your account. Step 7. At participating stores, look for the Venmo logo at checkout. Tell the cashier you'd like to pay with Venmo. Step 8. Scan the merchant's QR code displayed at the register using your Venmo app, or have the merchant scan your personal Venmo QR code. Confirm the payment amount and complete the transaction in the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.